Namaskar, Happy Diwali, Prosper Diwali, Auspicious Diwali. Not only NVEA but also NASA greet you. Guys, do you know what is NVEA and NASA? Let me clear. We shall talk about NVEA. NVEA means India's leading and trustable ODL institute which provide academic, professional and vocational learning education under OD and OB programs. Then what is NASA? NASA means world's largest and leading aeronautical space and research agency which impart the huge acknowledgements about space and universe. Guys, we now come to the point. Guys, this Diwali is tremendous gala for every Indian citizen. Why? Because first time in the Indian history, NASA captured and shared a granular visual footage of celestial festival of light which is known globular clusters. Guys, this is located and situated 30,000 light years far away from our Earth and our own Milky Way galaxy. So guys, not only NVEA but also every Indian citizen highly obliged and grateful to NASA to make us feel and pride. Thank you so much NASA, all the best.